Have you ever wondered how to start investing in the stock market? Well, you're not alone. The world of investing, filled with jargon and numbers, can seem daunting. But here's the truth: investing is a crucial part of wealth creation. It's how you make your money work for you. Today, we're going to demystify investing, specifically focusing on the stock market. We'll break down the basics and give you the tools to start building your financial future. Investing in the stock market might seem intimidating at first, but with the right information it becomes a walk in the park. Before you start investing, you need to understand the basics. Let's begin with what a stock is. Simply put, a stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of that company, making you a shareholder. Now, stock prices fluctuate based on various factors: supply and demand, economic indicators, or even global events. It's a dynamic marketplace where prices can rise or fall dramatically. Owning a stock means you share in the company's success or failure. As the company's value increases, so does the value of your stock. Conversely, if the company struggles, your stock may lose value. Investing is a balance of risk and reward. Higher potential returns often come with higher risk. It's essential to do diligent research before investing, understanding the company, its sector, and its potential for growth or decline. Understanding these basics sets a solid foundation for your investing journey. Now that you understand the basics, you're ready to take the first steps in your investing journey. The first step is to open a brokerage account. This is like a bank account, but it's designed for buying and selling stocks. You can open an account with an online broker in a few easy steps. Just be sure to research the broker's fees and services before committing. Next, you'll need to fund your account. This involves transferring money from your bank account to your brokerage account. The amount you decide to start with is entirely up to you, but remember, it's better to start small and increase your investment over time. Once your account is funded, it's time to choose which stocks to invest in. This is where your research skills come into play. Look at a company's financial health, its competitive position, and its potential for growth. Remember, investing is not about short-term gains, but about long-term growth. Now comes the fun part: buying and selling stocks. You can place orders to buy or sell stocks through your brokerage account. It's simple, but remember to invest wisely. Don't let emotions guide your decisions. Lastly, but importantly, is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and companies to mitigate risk. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's a long-term strategy to build wealth.